Several years ago, I was working at a firm that designed policies for corporations, and we were working on a construction company looking at a number of policies on their high-level executives. And we looked at a number of models as far as different funding amounts, different funding periods, because some executives were in their 30s and others were in their 60s. As we worked with the company, we finally narrowed down the solutions to a plan that looked great, high cash value on the balance sheet, and was able to fulfill their short-term and long-term goals. But the interesting part of the story is that the key decision maker, the owner of the policy, the guy that founded it, had owned whole life insurance. He had about 7 policies, some of which were up to 30 years old. And he makes a comment. He states, as I look at this plan, I've owned whole life insurance for quite some time, and other than the share in my business, my whole life insurance policies have been my best performing asset, better than my stocks, bonds, real estate, everything else. Because every single year I make a premium payment of $12,000 and I see my cash value grow by about $40,000. The dividends can easily pay my premium at this point. My point here is he had policies that had lived the test of time, and we were showing him projections, guaranteed, non-guaranteed values, but based off of actual proof, he lived it firsthand. He knows how the whole life insurance product works. He was confident in it. The point to this story is when we research whole life insurance, or if we're pitched on it, whole life insurance can look very, very good, like the example we just described where a corporation uses it and has high cash value right off the bat, or it can look not so good, where we pay money into a policy and we have zero in the beginning, maybe we only have 50% of our payment, it takes a long time to break even or get our money back. The point here is, if a policy is set up properly, like corporations and the ultra wealthy do, we can obtain that same type of policy where we can use the policy in the same manner that those individuals do. If it's set up properly, that's where you see the happy consumer, the individual that says, hey, I paid money in, I have access to it, it satisfies my goals, this is great. This is an area we can help with as we specialize in maximizing cash value life insurance policies. Hey guys, Steve Parisi here. If you enjoyed the content you just saw, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for future videos. If you'd like more information or to see some custom policies for yourself, feel free to call or email our offices at the contact information below.